wait lang.
Kasi,
10 minutes, coach.
5 lang, 5. Hindi, third and fourth. Championship, ano.
no, before ka 10 minutes.
Tata lang. Okay, let's go. Play ball. First possession. Napunta sa Team Hustle. Villanueva for 3. First blood for Beloya. Straight to the basket. 5. Outside. 7-0 run. Ang Bali. May tangan ng bola. Still na naman. Time out. Team intensity. And that time out. 9 na ba? 9 na yung score? 9? 9 na ka ba? 9 niya? 9 niya? Kumana yung magkundin ko ito.
Yung, sorry, yung nga.
Yan, palapakan natin. The late Apolico. Back to the ball game. Lim.
Copyright sale. Kasi mga may copyright song.
Lim. Matake. And he will shoot 2 free throws.
Mga NBA 2K lang po naman sa para hindi mga copyrights. Yan daw, mga NBA 2K lang soundtrack. Mga The Bulls, The Lakers,
First possession, first free throw is a miss. Shout out sa mga second throw. Wala pa rin. Superman to Villanueva. Villanueva for 3. Yes, sir! Mainit yung simula ng Team Hustle. Umira rin si Ausa, the pride of Zambud.
parang panang music. Ano yung medyo may work at the bothered to me.
Rebound by Colombia to Lim. Lim ngayon. Going strong right. Laging, ito yung ano ni Lim lagi siyang nasa strong right. He needs to improve more sa kanyang left hand dribble. Colombia. Isa pa for Clarence Colombia. 3 minutes. Spin move. Grabe naman yun. Ala Calvin Abueva move. Ang Bali. Out na naman. Titira ulit sa 3. Not this time. Ang Bali with offensive board. Ang Bali. Nakita niya yung mismatch. Inatake. Gets si Sonmis. Pasa kay Salangit. Wala. Ang Bali ulit. Passes to Beloya. For 3, no good. And it's a turnover. Lim. Brings the ball to Ambali. Ambali to Auza. Ang batang makulit. Auza being defended by Melendez. Ganda ng pasa ni Ambali. Everything except the shot. Superman Clark Kent handling the ball. Swings it to Villanueva. Villanueva to Melendres. Melendres teardrop. Indanan for the offensive board. Running score 16-5 with 1 minute and 39. Auza double team. Ayan na naman yung depensa ni Villanueva. Ang gawang buko. Clark Kent, Superman recovers with the ball. Goes left in layup. No good. Clarence Tolomia to Auza. Auza na tumba. Tumayo ulit. To Ambali. Ambali. To Tolomia. Ganda ng pasahan, but the defense of Pindalan is there. Roldan kicks it to baseline drive. May kasama pang foul. Para kay Superman Clark Kent. Hindi pumasok yung kanyang end one opportunity. Villanueva tumira ng 3, wala. Clarence Tolomia to Auza. Ang batang makulit. Fakes to Tolomia. Ganda ng pasahan. Perfectly executed play. Superman Clark Kent.
Yes, about mute, Jay.
Continue. Melendres fakes. Ang kulit ng depensa ni Auza. Villanueva, down low to pader yung pinagado niya. Ambali. Ganda ng depensa ni Melendres. Good defense. Seconds remaining. 30 seconds. Ball stolen. Roldan stops and pops. Tumira ng 3. No good. Riley Lim swings the ball to Ambali. Tolomia with the ball. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and no basket. That's the end of the first quarter of action. Running score 18 in favor of Team Hustle. Possession arrow, team intensity. Bola ng team intensity. Play ball. Batang Mama inbounding the ball. Pass. Pass ngayon, may tanga ng bola. Ball was intercepted. Malubag. Stops and pops. Lista mo na. Para kay Malubag. Arquiza in the land of the Thorn. Shout out SJ Romarate and Jig Card, Jig Austin. Araneta, dueño de Coliseum. Malubag! Yes, sir! Oliver Bas, to Batang Mama. Out of bounds. Makas Makaso being defended by Arquisa. Lock na lock itong si Arquisa sa depensa. Malubag to Makaso. Makaso, ganda ng pull-up jumper. Lista mo na yan. Lumarachada. Pass to Sebastian. Back to pass. Pass jump set. Ando naman yung double team. Ika ito. Ito kanina Makaso. Sebastian goes all the way. Wala. Magkakapila. Shout out, Mr. Gray. Si Gray Almazan. Last touch, jersey number 1. Alpici for 3. No good. Up, up, and away for Magsanay.
Busy yun doon, dito na lang. Sino mag-sign kay Coach Claro? Sino mag-sign? Ali na lang, si Ali oh. Mag-sign mo kay Ali. Kahit ano na.
Okay na yan, okay lang yan. Makaso. Foul. Good luck pala mamaya sa Team Fuse versus Team Dunks para sa finals ng intermediate. It will be the battle of Almasad and Romarate. Beladres. May galing na Almasad. Ball was stopped by Arquisa. Canizares ngayon may sanga ng bola. Canizares, double team. Ang kulit ng depensa ni Magsanay. And Magsanay steals the ball. Makaso forces the shot. Alpici with the rebound. Alpici ngayon tumatakbo. Alpici naghanap ng papasan. Alpici goes all the way. Yes, sir! Jacob Alpici in the land of the Giants. Steal by Sebastian. Block, pass. Loses the ball. Oy! Manong moves. Di ka lang pumasok. Sebastian is there for the rebound. But there's a whistle. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 30 to end this ball game. Makaso directing traffic, swings the ball to Malubag! Yes! Para sa 3. Asintado, diretso. Alpici gustong pumawi. Bas, my foul. 2 free throws for Bas. First free throw, di pumasok. Second try. Suave. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Makaso with a baseball pass. Patandun yung depensa ni Bas. Hustle points. Block from Bas pero may foul. I'm saucing on you. Grabe yung pirma ni Coach Claro dito. Oh. Biglang pumuti si Coach Claro. 2 for 2. 52 seconds. Kasuhan na yan ng BP22. Pumipirma ng ibang tao. Oli Melbas. Grabe talaga itong depensa ni Magsanay. Kanina pa to. Talaga pinapahirapan. Agawang buko. Parang babae yung bola. Pinag-aagawan ng mga boys. Possession arrow. Dito na. Thirty-five seconds. Canizares to Sebastian. Sebastian to Batang Mama. Alpichi Jacob. Teardrop. Yes, sir! Sixteen seconds. 16. 1-6. Sebastian being bothered to Alpichi with 8 to shoot. Oy! Pinasama yung depensa dun. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Basket count. Umabot pa. And that shot was brought to you by Lysol, keeping the game safe and clean. So after ng game nyo, huwag muna kayong umuwi wait din sa awarding natin ng certificates. Possession arrow, dito pa rin, dito kayo nag-change court, dito. Sumobra kayo, technical yan. Tang-in ba lahat? Then, Aki, possession arrow, Aki, kaya kabya kita rin. Intensity ball, intensity. Bas. Ball stolen by Ausa. Ang bilis talaga ng batang to. May turbo yung paa. Double team. Stolen by Indanan. Indanan ngayon, nakabuelo. Passes into Beloya for 2. Beloya. Villanueva pala. Riley Lim, baseline jumper, sobra. Para offensive board, wala. Clark Kent, Superman. To Acolicol. Grabe yung ranchada dito. Pass. To Auza. Steal by Roldan. Roldan. Passing it to Acolicol. Acolicol, baseline jumper. No good. Kulang sa warm-up. Ball tap, out of bounds. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. No, sinta lang din yung best na. Kita tapa ka mo ng camera. Artista ya ka mo takita. Riley with a jumper, no good. Rebound by Indanan. Baseball pass to Villanueva. Villanueva blocked by andun naman yung depensa ni Ausa. Superman Clark Kent for 3. Pinabanda pa. The bank is open even on a Saturday. Still na naman para kay Roldan. Grabe na yan. Oy, grabe. You know. Auza pa rin. Zigzagging. Drops it off to Bas. Ganda naman nun! Bas for two. Winner times from Jay Auza. Enriquez. Baseline jumper. Lista mo na yan para kay Superman Clark Kent Enriquez. 40 na. 40. Don Goyano receives the ball. Jay Auza for three, no good. Rebound by Don Goyano. Ang ganda ng fake! Batang makulit, steals the ball. Tumba yung depensa ni Auza. Grabe itong muscle, itong si Villanueva, parang wala nang bukas. Two minutes and 6 seconds. Side step by Bas. Oy! Ala Luka Doncic yun ah. Go to the right, back to the left, shoot to the right. Eluding his defender. Pang-mighty naman yung galawan na yun. Villanueva. Oy. To Acolicol. Paborito ni Acolicol yan. Eluding the defense of Auza. Ito, kanina pa itong matchup ni Auza at ni Villanueva. Steal by Superman. Up and away for Clark Kent Enriquez. Auza being hounded. Bas ngayon, may kanang bola. Bas to Auza, Jay Auza. Unloads the trifecta. Kaboom! Auza for three. 21-44.
150 yan lahat, tatlong plastic.
Villanueva. Minama yung depensa ni Auza pero gandun pa rin. Rebound by Danan. "44 seconds. Still by Auza. Jay Auza ngayon looking for his teammate. Waiting for numbers. Pass goes all the way. Andun na naman yung depensa ni Clark Kent. Roldan. Maitaan ang bola, swings into Acolicol. Acolicol hesitates, takes the jumper. No good, riding in. To Batang makulit. Pero mas makulit tong si Enriquez. Bas steals the ball. Counter steal by Enriquez. Kung ganito kayo lahat naglaro nung semis, panalo sana kayo. Grabe intensity nyo. 7 seconds remaining. 7 to shoot. Jay Auza, Manoy moves. End of the third quarter. And that quarter was brought to you by Lapu, Batang Kiti-Kiti.
Hindi ka na sa NBA 2K. Wala NBA Arena. Kasi hindi, manano siya, copyrights eh. Akal Arena, soundtrack. Hindi, ako may music. Hindi soundtrack ko, ano.
Fourth and final quarter. Para sa battle for third between Intensity and Pascal.
Papo, balik kasi. Ese, hype kayo.
Let's go! Shoutout natin yung ating DJ SJ. Grabe, forward slash, DJ SJ. Arkisa, hoy! Biro mo yun? Iwan sana yung mga boys natin. Kala ko yung nangiiwan lang ng boyfriend, nangiiwan din para ng boys sa basketball. Basket count, Makasu.
2 points na. Magsanay. No good.
Steps on the line.
Maya.
Balik ka. Sige. Tolomia. Yes, sir. Melendres, blocked from behind by Colombia. Kaigoy. Maluma, wala pa rin. Alpici, eluding all defenders. Baba na lang sa 14, yung lamang. Pwede pa to. Steal na naman by Arkisa. Counter steal by Makasu. Melendres for 3. No good. Makasu naman ang susubok sa tres. Rebound by Arkisa. Arkisa to sa langit. Steal by Magsanay. Magsanay is good. Foul. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Substitution ref, sub. Substitution. Turnover. Kaigoy inbounding the ball. Almost a steal by Batang Mama. Steal na nga. Riley baseball pass to Auza. Oy, ginawakan yung bola. Magsanay to Makasu. Makasu floater. Rebound by the smallest guy to Alpici. Jacob Alpici. Ay, bitawan pa yung bola. Sinta lang ali mga nano. Noy, sinta lang Noy. Warning ka ninyo, technical ha. Coach, warning bench. Improper bench decorum. Lawrence to Alpici. Batman and Robin. Jumper is good. Ang bilis ng batang to. Parang pickpocketer sa Quiapo. Alpici! Sumabay ka pa! Sabi ni Alpici. Kaigoy for 3. Rebound by Salangit to Jay Auza. to Riley. Ganda naman ang pasa dun. Time out. Hustle. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 34-48.
Kayo!
Espera ka ba, kamarkambya? Uy,
Dito pala si sign of the Pogi. Sign of the Pogi. Back to the ball game.
si Aid, wala man si Aid.
Nanood siya na nag-pictures.
Ha? Ah, okay. Pwede lang, okay lang.
Let's go, Warrior. Let's go. Let's go. Ngayon na Warriors. Laos na. Magsanay! No good. Rebound by Clarence Tolomia.
Kambya team, loyalty.
Dallas 2. Ambali! Oy, lumabas pa. Ang kolikol. Nasa sila doon, si Villanueva. Alpici. Ganda ng depensa. Auza, ang batang makulit. Pero mas makulit si Magsanay. 16 seconds. 1-6. 16. Substitution. Sub. 15. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2. Two seconds. End of the game. Alright, picture muna tayo guys. Okay, middle muna lahat, seconds.
Pagana si J Music J.